Hello, hello, hello. People often ask, can you go birding in the rain? The answer, of course, is yes. You're not gonna melt. It's gonna be okay. There's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. We're on top of Baldpate Mountain at the Ted Stiles Preserve in Mercer County in Titusville or Hopewell, New Jersey. And today, in the rain, I've seen and heard indigo bunting. Fire, fire, where, here. American goldfinch, northern house wren, eastern towhee, all kinds of things.